Hey guys, it's Henry from Mowers and Blowers again. Gonna work on this thing today. As you guys know, this is the main item from Motherlode 8Pick, where I got this Toro rear engine riding mower. It's an 8 horsepower Briggs and Stratton, 25 wide. The only reason why the guy threw it away was because he said it didn't start anymore. It just died and quit, and it wouldn't start. I just finished cleaning the carb on this baby, and also fixed some of the cracks with some zip ties. It works better than the Frankenstein stuff. This ride's good. But I'm gonna first start off by I charged up this battery and put it in there. It does crank, but it doesn't turn over. I removed the air cleaner off the top. Now I'm going to remove the carburetor. It's pretty easy. 2 bolts here to take this air cleaner base assembly off, and then probably another screw on here and on the other side as well. After I clamp off and remove this fuel line, we're going to take a look and see how that carburetor is. So after I took off a bracket, I went from here to there, loosened both screws on that side. Oh, one more right there. Now that the air cleaner's off, the air cleaner base, I mean, these right there, just loosen them up. You can turn them by hand. And there it is. Carburetor's off. The hole with the orange thing, the one that has a little small tiny hole on top of it, is this one here with the little tiny one, tiny wire that's next to it. This one's the choke that goes in there. Honestly, looks pretty clean. I'm going to take that jet out of there in the middle. So unfortunately I can't get it out. If I did it any harder, I would strip the screw in there, and I don't want to do it. So I'm just going to blow a lot of carb cleaner through there and soak it for a while, and hopefully those the emulsion tube in their holes aren't clogged. So I think why it didn't start was because it's really gummy inside this area here where the seat is, where the fuel comes in, and very gummy, so that the needle couldn't slide in and out properly. So I'm gonna have to find a way to clean the walls of that canal for the fuel, so that the needle, because the needle had a lot of gook on the sides of the walls, so it prevents it from moving smoothly. So I'm going to have to clean this whole canal out. So I used a Q-tip, stuck it in there, and went back and forth in and out with carburetor cleaner, and scrubbed the side of the walls. That ought to do it. Put all that stuff back again, including the linkage. Connected the fuel line again, and I'm going to give it a try. Battery's not getting enough juice. I gotta charge it. Purrs like a kitten. Runs great. All it needed was a carb clean, and I guess I gotta get a new battery. What a score. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.